In this video, we'll make an energy drink ad with the Genolve WordPress plugin, covering text and sticker animations at a fairly advanced level. Please note that the quality of this video does not reflect the live version, which has sharp colors and smooth animations. First, let's take a look at the ad we're going to duplicate. Okay, let's break that down. We have text that fades in line by line while slightly moving to the left, a stationary product, and a pulsating geometric background. Okay, let's go to WordPress. We're going to design an animation from scratch. However, if you were in a hurry, you could look for the existing design and then click the pencil icon to customize it. Okay, let's set the image. We want a drink with a transparent background. Okay, let's try Wikimedia. This first topic looks like what we need, and the first image is perfect. Make it a little smaller. Okay, on to the text. And we'll want that white in a blocky text. And we drag the blue bar to wrap on every word. Right justify. Okay, let's set the animation. This is going to be a two-component animation. It's going to slide slowly to the left while fading in line by line. Let's see what this slide looks like. We got to wait for the timer to return to 0. Okay. We're going to decrease the distance it's sliding by quite a bit. And even more, you can actually click here and type the number if you want. Okay, let's do the fade in. This is going to be a group effect. And now the second component uses these same settings. However, it will apply to the group, not the slide. We want it to fade in somewhat slowly and stagger. Okay, that looks pretty good. Maybe a little too fast. Okay, that looks good. Now let's do the geometric background. Let's look what's under decoration. Nothing looks good there. And we're not sure what to search for. So let's go to Genolve and check maybe album covers. This one looks promising, and the design is geometric circle. We can get these designs by typing that in. And we'll add Annie for animation. There they are. This looks exactly like what we're looking for. Okay, it looks like it's animating, and we don't want it to animate because it's going to sit in place. And it's covering up our image. So let's slide it down below the image. Okay, that's not bad, but there's another method we can try. We're going to build the animation from scratch. Let's start with this egg shape. I chose it because it's got a kind of a gradient edge, and we're going to place it with spray. So here's how spray normally works. It just randomly places them. However, it doesn't have to be random. We can set the path effect. Let me collapse the slide so that it goes in order. And let's go big to small. Let's try that. Okay, that's the effect we're looking for. Now, if we can get them so they're almost right on top of each other. You can do this with the path smoothness, setting it to a lower number. Okay, that looks good. Let's delete this one. Now we'll animate this using the group effect. We'll want it to slide left a small distance. And then reverse. And in between, maybe move slowly. Apply it to the whole group smoothly. Okay, let's try it out. Hmm. Okay, it's got some rotation in there, and I think that was from when we did the spray. So go back to path effect. Let's collapse slide and make sure our rotation is zeroed out. And again, you can just type it. And we'll have to re-spray it. That's not bad. Making it a little bigger should cover the whole screen. We might set a purple background to match the circles. And let's save that.